Dream, search, drive. Cars.co.za.
Keep your adventure alive, because when it comes to finding the right part at the right price, there's just no place like Midas for the love of cars.
So if you're a Volkswagen or an Audi fan just like me, you might have attended the biggest VW show in Africa. It's called VW Campfest. Something that you've never seen before made its way onto the showgrounds. In fact, I've dubbed this car the best of show for 2023. I'm talking about Bodyline's Tiguan R with an RS3 engine. They've actually dubbed it the RSR. My name is Jacob Mushokwa, and I'm at Bodyline to get a closer look at this beautiful car. Now, the first thing we need to get out of the way is the why factor. Yes, this car looks amazing, but I mean, who takes 1.1 million rand, buys a Tiguan R, and then swaps it with an RS3 engine? So to answer all my questions, I'm joined by Selvin at Bodyline. Selvin, tell me why. Take me through this. People couldn't even order these cars, or they had a crazy waiting list. You get it towards the end of last year, and you decide an RS3 swap would be appropriate for this car.
Yes. So we've got a very unique client, okay? This is what he wanted. His wife had an RS3.
Okay.
So he decided to take the engine out of the RS3. He did ask her permission. A little bit of a problem, but anyway, he got there.
As you do.
Yeah. He decided to take the RS3 engine out of there and put it into the Tiguan R. Thereafter, he sent the vehicle to us to get all the rest of the stuff done. And that's like, for example, you know all these beadings here, they come in chrome.
Yeah.
So now we had to buy new beadings, paint them black, but we had to do this prior to the vehicle getting here. All the chrome beadings on the car was bought in order for us to have it ready for Campfest.
Aha.
So all the chrome beadings, all the spoilers and everything were bought and painted the color of the car already before the car gets here. As you can see with the air, we've incorporated a sound system in here to enhance the whole boot and the whole look. Also, give the car good sound as well. So the car came here in 2 days to get everything fitted and do all the last minute adjustments. And then we decided to put in the Bentley wheels as well.
Good touch, very nice touch. Matches the car quite well, actually.
Very well, yeah. We tried a few wheels, but this came out the best, and we had to make it work. So it happened at 5 o'clock on Friday that we're done with the car, and then Saturday was Campfest.
And then that, Campfest alone. Did you guys think that coming to Campfest, I know Bodyline came strong, eh? Bodyline came strong. They were driving a Club Sport S. If you don't know what that is, that's a Golf 7 two-door, and it's properly track-orientated. They only came in white, limited numbers, and they decided to paint it blue as well. So you came with an array of cars, which were actually top spec, top-looking cars. What was the reaction from the crowd? Because believe it or not, I was in the crowd. I was mingling there, and I saw this. I got goosebumps. Geez. I saw this lineup, and I thought, who is Bodyline? What is going on? What did you guys think of the immediate reaction upon arrival at Campfest on the Saturday?
On the Saturday, we came in with a convoy at about, I think it was about 11 or 12 cars. And all of them, we obviously had some work done on it.
Yeah.
It was quite an awesome feedback from all the car lovers out there. Yeah, we got a lot of positive feedback from them. And it was awesome.
I can imagine. I can totally imagine. I think we shouldn't get into too much nitty-gritties, because I'd actually like to, for the first time, be in a Tiguan R with an RS3 engine. So is it okay if we go for a drive? Can I get a feel of the car? Actually, I just want to hear the car, if that's okay with you.
Cool.
Let's do it. Yes, I'm going in. It's RS3, guys. You can hear it's RS3. If you're not sure, Those 5-cylinder purrs. Yo! Oh. It's got the pops and bangs! Did you have to do any upgrades on the brakes?
No. This is a high-powered vehicle. It's a top-of-the-range Tiguan, as you know.
Yeah.
And so it can handle all these things.
Yes, I understand.
By putting the engine in there, you just created a bigger weapon.
The exhaust was already done as well?
No, yeah, we redid the exhaust. We've taken the exhaust, the original exhaust out.
Oh, yeah, because you can hear. It's got more grunt. It's got the power.
And there's actually no boxes in there.
Ah, that's why cold start sounded like that. I can't believe I'm in what should have been the best of show at Campfest. I can imagine what type of attention this car gets. Shongamla! Awishai mo tong gamla! The car almost actually feels factory.
Yeah, you know what? If this car didn't have air suspension,
Yeah.
it would be driving a very luxurious sedan.
Yeah.
Because of the air suspension, obviously, feel no bumps and stuff like that. But it's not as bad. But
No, it's not.
Yeah,
I think because it's a modern day car.
yeah,
2022 Tiguan R.
true.
Did you guys think that you'd be building something that would be inspiring like a new generation or a new level of car enthusiasts for Campfest?
Yeah, not really, man. We didn't. That wasn't the intention.
Yeah, but Selvin, you go to Campfest, where are you going to see something of this quality? A brand new car
Yeah.
that's
I
had
hear you.
so much man hours, so much time, so much money. You've literally added another tier to Campfest because it's an institution. It's the biggest VW show in South Africa, right? Everybody wants to take their Golf 1s right up to Golf 7s there. But nobody thinks take a Tiguan R and do this. Did you ever think about how, the new generation or the new inspiration that you've set up? I don't think you gave it some time.
No, I don't think so at all. You know, Campfest has changed over the years. So
Yeah.
every time you go to Campfest, you find there's all different builds now, and people have spent a lot of money on their cars. So it's not like back in the days when it was like take your city Golf and repair it in your backyard, and
Exactly, yeah. Backyard
now people
builds.
have got money
Yes.
to spend on their cars.
There we go.
Now we're getting R8s coming to Campfest.
To Campfest, yeah. This has been an absolute pleasure, man. I want to thank you for doing this. I mean, this was my dream car at Campfest.
Is it?
It was the talk of the town. I was a little gutted about the Club Sport S because that's also quite a special car for me.
Yep.
I was just like, no, who does that? But you guys should give yourself the credit. Man, you've inspired me.
You as well, man.
I think I've just found the perfect inspiration for my Campfest build. Shout out to Bodylines. Shout out to Selvin. Thank you
man.
for the inspiration. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Here's to driving some more dream cars. Even the modified ones are just as good. Bye-bye!
Cars.co.za.
Not only is Cars.co.za the best place to find your dream car, but it's also the easiest place to sell your current car. Check out the sell car section on our main website. Simply list your car's details and all of our dealers will take bids on your car. You just choose the highest price. Boom, your car's gone. On to your next one. Right, thanks very much for watching the video. Okay, I think I'm done. Yeah, I'm finished now.
Keep your adventure alive, because when it comes to finding the right part at the right price, there's just no place like Midas. For the love of cars.